This is a message regarding a child abduction alert in Deschutes County, Oregon. Police believe a child was abducted from her mother's hands in Three Rivers, Oregon, and they need your help locating the child. The child's name is Kaylee Aurora Wegenor. She's a 2-year-old white female, 1 foot 5 inches tall, weighs 34 pounds with blonde ponytails and green eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink long-sleeve shirt and a diaper. Police believe that Wegenor was abducted by Rashana Desiree Kipling, a 32-year-old black female, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 146 pounds with black hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a black hoodie, black and red Adidas joggers, and white, red, and black Air Jordans. Excuse me. They may be traveling in a 2005 silver Saturn Ion with Oregon plates bearing 504PAX. If you have any information in regards to the child, suspect, or car, call 911 immediately. Do not approach.